Hi everybody, I'm back with another medicinal edible plant worldwide known as the broadleaf plantain. The leaves are very green and beautiful. It can be easily identified with that main rib. The seeds are usually grown in upward direction. It is said that the leaves can be crushed and applied topically if there is a bee sting or insect bites for burn, minor cuts and bruises. It is also said that it is filled with vitamin K. The leaf can also be used as a tea for diarrhea. Also, it is said that it has lots of medicinal properties. I am not trained in this area. This is just for educational purposes. Your doctor and your own research or your herbal specialist will direct you further. Thanks for